Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share an interesting recipe which is Pizookie or Skillet chocolate chip cookie. Skillet chocolate chip cookie tastes best with a dollop of ice cream. This is so easy to make and let's see how to make this Pizookie. Heat an 18 skillet pan and add in 115 grams of butter. Melt the butter at low flame. Pizookie names comes from combining pizza and a cookie. Butter is melted and add in half a cup of brown sugar. Cook it in low flame until the sugar melts. Switch off the flame once the sugar melts. Now cool the sugar and the butter mix slightly. Once the butter mix is cooled down, add in 1 egg. If the butter mix is hot means this will become scrambled egg. So make sure to cool down the sugar and the butter mix. The egg is mixed well and add in half a teaspoon of baking powder. In goes quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Add in little less than quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. In goes half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now add in 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour and mix it gently. This cookie is an one-pot dessert. You can mix everything in one go and bake it. Isn't it so simple to make, friends? The flour is mixed well and add in 150 grams of milk chocolate. You can add good quality of chocolate chips as well. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Now level the cookie dough evenly like this. Actually, this cookie dough is so delicious and we can have it as such. I have already shared the recipe of chocolate skillet cake. I leave the recipe link in iCard. Now sprinkle some milk chocolate on top of the cookie dough. Kids will really enjoy this cookie and it's so easy to make. Press it gently with a spatula. Bake the cookie for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Well, the baking time completely depends on your oven type. Delicious Skillet chocolate chip cookie is baked perfectly. You can serve it with a dollop of ice cream. This is so easy to make and kids will really enjoy it. Do try this Skillet chocolate chip cookie and share me the feedback. You can share me the picture either through my Instagram or Facebook account. This cookie is crunchy outside and so soft inside. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.